A crown glitters in the fog, but beneath it beats a lonely heart. She was the child no one wanted, the daughter of a doomed queen. Yet from the ashes of her mother's fall, Elizabeth rose. They called her the Virgin Queen, but her reign was no fairy tale. It was fire wrapped in silk. Her enemies prayed, plotted, and whispered, yet she endured them all. With words sharper than swords, she ruled a kingdom divided. With silence, she outlasted kings and conquerors alike. England's storms became her music, its faith her battlefield. And when the Spanish Armada darkened her shores, she stood unshaken. "I have the heart of a king," she said, and the sea obeyed. By the time her candle burned low, she had forged an empire of light. Not through love, not through war, but through the quiet, unbreakable will of a woman who refused to bow.